Hey, Bob here for TrimUsLab. I'm going to try to save your weekend. You've got a driveway and it's got expansion joints that are rotting out. There's weeds growing in it. You've got letters from the homeowners association. You've got your wife telling you that it looks terrible. You need to do something about it. You can do the self-leveling caulk, the traditional repair. You'll be on your knees. You'll be squirting these tubes out. One tube will cover about 4 feet in a 3/4 by 1/2 inch cavity. The same TrimUsLab will go in as fast as the backer rod. It's going to look nice and neat. It will be done. We're talking $249 a foot MSRP versus about $3 MSRP in the tubes. A whole lot less time on your knees, a whole lot less squeezing, unless you're into that. And you have your weekend back. Go do what you'd rather do. You'll knock one out, hit a home run with the neighbors, the wife, the homeowner association, and you'll have some time for yourself. So have one for me.